Welcome to our YouTube video on die casting. I'm your assistant, here to provide a clear and concise explanation of what die casting is in manufacturing engineering. Shortly, what is the definition? Die casting is a metal casting process where molten metal is injected under high pressure into a reusable steel mold, called a die. The result is a precise, smooth, and detailed metal component. Think of die casting like using a waffle maker. You pour in the batter, close the mold, and the pressure and shape creates a consistent, detailed result every time. So, why is die casting so beneficial? Because it enables mass production of high-quality parts with excellent dimensional accuracy and surface finish. It is widely used in automotive, electronics, and consumer goods industries. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insightful videos. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.